Hey there TRW crew, Matt Visor here with the RhinestoneWorld.com. In this awesome tutorial video, I'm going to show you how to make money with Rhinestones, the Visor edition. Stick around to see how. So one thing that I really noticed when my wife and I started our business was custom visors with heat transfer vinyl, rhinestones, whatever it is. In this video, I'm going to show you how to customize a visor like this. Make it look unique. We're going to do a baseball mom design in all crystal SS10 rhinestones. On the front of this visor, we're going to throw a custom number right here on the visor as well. But the coolest thing about this whole video, not only am I going to teach you how to make it, right? I'm going to show you the pricing and how much money you can make on it, right? But I'm also, at the end of the video, as long as you subscribe to this YouTube channel to learn awesome tips and tricks and techniques to help your custom apparel business, I am going to give away all of the templates that I'm going to cut today here on the Graph Tech using the Magic Flock template material for you to now be able to customize the visors like I'm going to do in the video here. So all you need to do to enter to win is comment below, I subscribed. Subscribe, click that little subscribe button, click the little bell to give you a notification each time I post a new video to help your business. I'll check, make sure you're subscribed, and we will pick a giveaway winner next week for these templates we're going to make. But let's get going on this project. We need to head over to the software, the TRW Design Wizard, get the actual design set up, and then once we have that, we're going to send it to the cutter. We're going to cut our Magic Flock. We're going to head over to our Hotronix auto clamp cap press. We're going to press it on there, get this thing done. So let's head over to the software now, get started. Okay, so we're over in the software now. I'm working with CorelDRAW and the TRW Design Wizard version 5. And with the software, we have our design here, our baseball mom design. Now this is size perfect for SS10 rhinestones, okay? SS10 stones. It's going to go on the front of the visor, and then the number 23 is going to go on the bill of the visor. So if I wanted to see what this looked like on the actual visor, check this out. I can go to my crystal stones. I'm going to put the 23 at the crystal stones as well. I'm going to highlight the baseball mom part of our designs. I'm going to go to mock-up. I'm going to do my hat, my navy visor front, simulate stones, click on the visor, and boom, there it is. Stones simulated and everything. Now, let's go back to that page again. Now we have our custom number 23, which is right there. It's just blending in with the background right now. And I want to throw that onto the bill of the hat or the visor. Click on the bill of it, and there it is at an angle just like I want custom number 23. And this is exactly what this hat's going to look like. How freaking awesome is that? Now what I can also do, go back to my original, highlight all of it, click on my little money sign in the top right corner. I have 194 SS10 crystal rhinestones in this design for a total of 54 cents in stones. That's pretty crazy, isn't it? So the awesome thing about watching this video is you are going to get a special coupon code for this layout right here. So even if you aren't the winner of this actual Magic Flock template, you're going to get this layout right here, 50% off. So this is going to be on the website at the rhinestoneworld.com. You'll get the 50% off coupon code that you will see in the description below of this YouTube video. You will also, in that purchase, get this layout with the numbers, and you will get the different PNG files of this actual navy blue visor. So you're going to get a front version, you're going to get a side version, and then you're also going to get the angled version that I just showed there. That's pretty cool, isn't it? So let's go ahead and get this sent over to our vinyl cutter and get this cut on our Magic Flock template material. So here's the cut file that you will get ready to go as well. Let's go ahead and get this cut. Alright, so we're over here on our Graph Tech CE6060 vinyl cutter here. I have my Magic Flock template material loaded in. I have a 45-degree blade, and I'm using our vinyl overcut feature. So let's go ahead and get this thing cut. Alright, so our cut just finished up here. I'm going to hit 1 to view this. It's going to bring my material out for me, and then I just need to find my different areas to weed this out. So you can see how perfectly that 0 weeded there for me. Move to the next letter. There's my 9. Perfect again. And then I'm just going to go through and get all this weeded real quick for you, but you can see how nice the cut is. Alright, so now that we have our templates cut, this is where it gets really easy. So I just split these off a little bit so I can make them in smaller sections, but I can brush in all of these at the exact same time to make multiples, which is pretty awesome. And then when it comes to the numbers, because the actual file had them all as individual boxes like this, if a customer comes up and they're number 23, I grab the 2, I grab the 3, I line them up, I brush them in, it's customized. So I can make a visor like this now that I have my templates in under 5 minutes. Now, as far as the materials you're going to need to do a job like this, obviously we already cut our Magic Flock template material. You're going to need your hot fix tape. We're using our Crystal SS10 Korean low lead rhinestones. We have our scoop over here, obviously a pair of scissors, and then our rhinestone brush to be able to brush in the stones. Alright, so let's go ahead and get this project started. So I'm just going to do 2 of them for right now. I don't need to do the whole group. I'm going to grab my design there, drop that down, and the custom hat that we're going to do this round, I don't need the number sign, I'm just going to do a number 20. So I'm going to grab my 2 and my 0. Now the way that the template is made, you'll see that everything is made to line up perfectly. So I'm going to drop my 2 right down onto my workstation here, and the 0 is made to line up perfectly with my 2. So, and that's the whole point, so we can customize any number we want at any time. So there's my 20, my baseball mom. Let's go ahead and brush all these in. So I'm just going to get a big pile of stones. Bigger the pile of stones just makes it easier to brush them all in. I'm going to go in small circles like this here. Once I feel like most of them are in, I'm going to go in a straight line to get all the excess stones out of the way. And the amazing part about this is how easy all of these go in. So I'm pretty much done with my design now. I just need to make sure that there's no stones on top of each other, which everything looks pretty good. And that was about a 10 to 15 second process, maybe, to brush all of those stones in there. Alright, so now that we got that, we just need some of our hot fix tape. I'm going to peel this off, and then again, just making sure that no extra stones are on top. We can always fix it later if there is one stacked on top of each other. But those all look pretty good right there. I'm just going to hold it like a U, drop that down real quick. So when I come back and just go over this really quickly here, I can now pull up my design, and it's going to pull up all of my stones. I can put this back onto where I got it. And then I have my rhinestone transfers ready to go. Alright, so now it's time with our Hotronix cap press here to get this design pressed. So I'm just going to drop my cap down here. I'm going to drop my lever so it pulls the visor tight up against it there. Come down with a quick little pre-press. I'm just checking my pressure. Everything felt good there. And now we're going to get the design that we need. So I have my baseball mom design. I'm just going to trim this off here. Alright, so I now have my baseball mom transfer and my number 20. So we're going to obviously put the baseball mom on first. So let's just peel off our hot fix transfer. And I'm at 315 degrees right now. I'm just going to drop this right in the middle of my visor here. And that looks pretty awesome. All looks good there with my baseball mom design. Everything looks nice and straight. And I'm going to come down with my press now. And I'm going to go for 15 seconds here. Once we have that and we feel good with it, let's go ahead and grab my hot fix tape. I can slowly peel this off. And there's my baseball mom design. Now, my hot fix tape, I'm going to put back on this carrier sheet here because I'm going to be able to reuse this on another one that I do. But now, we still need to do our custom number 20. So you can see the baseball mom part of our design is done. That looks amazing. I can use the same cap press for my number 20 as well. So I can just drop this on the side like that and still press that perfect. So let's go ahead and do that. I'm going to grab my number 20 here. I'm going to put my visor here. I want the 20 to kind of go at an angle right there like we showed in the mock-up. And then we're just going to press that down. 15 seconds. Once we feel good with that, let's go ahead and grab the edge of my hot fix tape there. Pull this up, and we got ourselves a completed visor. Alright, so that's it. This visor is done. You can see how awesome that Rhinestone baseball mom looks. It's completely customized with that custom number 20 there. Really cool, but really easy to customize at an event. Even if you just have a tent set up, or at a storefront location, or just on your website or Facebook or Instagram or wherever you're promoting it, if you have those templates cut out, how easy is it to customize it with a custom number like that? So now what I want to do is I want to run through the numbers. Remember, we only had 54 cents in rhinestone cost on this, right? We have the cost of our visor, we have our labor cost, we have our overhead cost. So we have some different expenses, but what we can sell this for, I want to show you if you were to do maybe an order for 15 moms, how much money your business can make on something like this. Alright, so we're back over here in the software, the Design Wizard and CorelDRAW. I have my design there, and this is the design and the exact stones we put onto this visor. So, we did a 2-0 instead of a 2-3, but no problem, basically the exact same stones. Highlight my design, I'm going to change them to the crystal stones again. Now remember, when we click on that money sign, it says we had 54 cents in cost. However, if I right click on that money sign, it's going to bring up all of my information here. So, design and setup fee, everything. So what's the retail price of the finished product? Let's just say you're going to sell the custom visor for $17.50 because you're putting that custom number as well. And you're going to give them a 10% discount. We're going to do just the Sportsman visor. And the blank cost of this Sportsman visor, let's say it's $2.46. Now, hourly rate of the production employee is $11 an hour. How many minutes to produce the product? Honestly, I don't even know that let's just say 5 minutes. I don't think it's going to even take that long once you have your template cut. And then what's the total quantity being produced? 15 of them. Your overhead cost per month, if you're working out of the house maybe, let's just say that's $250. You got a little extra electric, some internet, things like that. And let's just say on average you only create about 300 products a month. So when I hit price to go through all of this, the software is going to break all of this down for us. So this is pretty awesome here, guys, because what it's going to show you here is you'll see we have our total stone cost of 54 cents, right? We have our visor cost of $2.46. We have our material cost at $3, 54 cents plus the $2.46. We have $11 an hour employee that takes 5 minutes. We have 92 cents in labor cost. We have 83 cents in overhead cost for a total of $4.75 per visor. Selling it for $17.50 with a 10% discount means they're getting them for $15.75 each. It's going to take that employee about an hour and 15 minutes to finish this job. So our total cost to the customer is $236.25. We have $71.25 in cost. So my business is going to make $165 on these 15 visors, or $132 an hour. Those are pretty amazing margins if you ask me. Alright, so that's it guys. Hope you enjoyed this video on how to make money with rhinestones, the Visor edition. Showed you how to break it down, how to make it, how much money your business can make, and how awesome it is. So make sure if you do want a chance of winning the actual pre-cut templates that I used in this video, make sure to subscribe to this YouTube channel right now. Click that little bell, and then in the comments put I subscribed. If you're already a subscriber, put I'm already a subscriber. But I will pick from those comments, verify that you're subscribed, and I will pick a winner to ship with your next order that requires shipping these actual templates right here for you to be able to start making these visors right away. And you don't even need a vinyl cutter if you have the templates, right? How awesome is that? And you can even use an iron if you want to off the start to get going. So click that subscribe button, click that bell, comment below, but the link 50% off the actual file that I used here today on the website. The link to the actual item on the site is in the description below, as is the coupon code, plus the actual SS10 crystal rhinestones that I used, the Magic Flock template material, the Graphtec vinyl cutter, the Hottronics auto clam cap press. So all the different items that I used in this video today, easy to find, link in the description below. Thanks for watching guys, have an amazing day, and we'll see you soon. Later.